Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Please subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. Then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. In this video we are going to see in engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics we are going to see for Euler's theorem for homogeneous functions. Okay, it is a very easy and important topic. Okay, we can expect one or two questions for from this topic where the exams like TNEB Assistant Engineer, TANSET and as well what TRB Polytechnic lecturer exam also. So this is an easy and very important topic. Let's see what it is. First of all we will see the definitions and we'll solve few problems in this type. Okay, we start. Homogeneous functions. A function f of x comma y comma z is called a homogeneous function of degree n if f of t comma tx comma ty equal to t power n f of x comma y comma z. So this tx comma ty comma tz. So it is a function of x, y, z now. So it is when it is called a homogeneous function. If it is a function is called a homogeneous function of degree n when if tx comma ty comma tz equal to t power n of f of x comma y comma z. Then Euler's theorem for homogeneous functions. If function x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree n, then x dou f by dou x plus y dou f by dou y equal to nf. So if it is a function of x comma y, then degree n, then this is the Euler's theorem for that homogeneous function. If in case f of x1 comma x2 etc xm is a homogeneous function of degree n, then x1 dou f by dou x1 plus x2 dou f by dou x2 plus xm dou f by dou fm equal to nf. Then we'll see the extended Euler's theorem, which means that if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of x comma y of degree n, then x square dou squared f by dou x square plus 2xy dou squared f by dou x dou y plus y square dou squared f by dou y squared equal to n into n minus 1 or x plus if it is in the form, then what is the result? Extended Euler's theorem, n into n minus 1 into that function f. Okay, if u is a function of x and y, then du equal to du. See, du equal to dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Then dou u by dou t. So u is dependent on t, but u is a function of x and y. For that, how can we say dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t? If x and y are functions of t, if an x1 y are functions of t, we can say this one. Okay, then implicit function, if f of x comma y equal to 0, consider y as an implicit function of x, then dy by dx equal to minus fx by fy, minus fx by fy. We will solve few problems, then we will get an idea. Okay, wow. We'll see. If u equal to sine inverse x squared plus y squared divided by x plus y, then x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to what? We need to find out. So what is given? U equal to sine inverse into x square plus y square plus x plus y. How can we write? We can sine u, this will go to that side as sine u, take it is a z equal to sine u equal to this x square plus y square plus x plus y. Then we need to check the homogeneity of the function. We need to check the given function is a homogeneous. To check homogeneity, how can we check? Z is a function of x and y, right? Then z of tx comma ty equal to, in place of x and y, we need to replace by tx the whole square plus ty the whole square divided by tx plus ty, right? Then take t squared outside in the numerator. T squared is outside, what we will get? X square plus y square. In the denominator, t as t as common. So t, we will get x plus y. So this one. So cancel this and this. So we can get it as t into that function x square plus y square plus x plus y. So z of tx comma ty equal to, it is a, so this is a function, is a homogeneous function with the order 1, n equal to 1. So order 1. So what we need to then, so x, this one dou z by dou x, or z is a function of which, so see, dou z by dou x plus y, dou z by dou y equal to n into z, right? So what is n here? N is equal to 1. So substitute n, and what is z here? Z is nothing but sin u. Okay, dou into dou x of this one sin u plus y into dou y of sin u equal to n is nothing but 1 into z equal to sin u. So when we differentiate this one, what we will get? X into sin u is nothing but cos u into dou u by dou x, right? It is a function of u only, na? Again y, differentiate cos u into dou u by dou y equal to, in order side, sin u. Then x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to, into cos u is a common. See, take cos u as commons, then x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to sin u. Then what we can get? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to sin u. This cos u go to that side as denominator by cos u. Sin u by cos u is nothing but tan u. So tan u. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to tan u. Option 3 is the right option for this question. Then we'll move on to the next problem. What is given? U equal to x plus 4. See, first write down the problem. U equal to log of x power 4 plus y power 4 divided by x plus y. So then what we need to do? See, what is given? U equal to this one. Sorry for the interruption. Then take exponential term. See, we can write it as z equal to e power u equal to, then e power log, exponential and logarithm get cancelled, so we can get x power 4 by y power 4 by x plus y, or this logarithm will go to that side as e power u. So this e power u is, say it is z, say let it is z. Okay, so we need to, what is the next step? We need to check the homogeneity of the given function. So to check homogeneity, what we need to do? Z is a function of x and y, then z equal to tx equal to ty. Substitute tx whole power 4 and ty whole power 4 divided by t plus y. Then take t outside, t power 4 into x power 4 plus y power 4 divided by, here tx plus ty. T outside as x plus y. So it is cancelled, t cube. So it is, see, z of tx by y into this function alone. Okay. So it is, what is the order? N equal to 3. It is a homogeneous function with the order of n equal to, with the order 3. Okay. Then what we need to do? X dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y into n into z. This is the Euler's theorem for the homogeneous function. So substitute z equal to e power u and n equal to 3 in that equation. N into, x into dou by dou x of e power u plus y into dou by dou y of e power u into n is nothing but 3 into z is nothing but e power u. So when we differentiating, what we will get? Dou e power u, we will get e power u into dou u by dou. So x dou u by dou x, x e power u into dou u by dou x. Similarly, y e power u dou u by dou y equal to 3 e power u. See, in both all of the term e power u is cancel. Or I am writing here. So taking e power u as common, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 3u, 3 e power u. This and this will cancel. What we will get? Finally, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 3. So this is the answer for the x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is nothing but 3. Option 4, 3 is the right option. Okay, we'll see some other problem. So u equal to tan inverse of x cube. The problem is given. We need to find out the Euler's theorem for this term. First we need to, what is given? So this will go to that side, so as tan u, right? Tan u equal to that given function. Say it is a, z. Okay. Then what is the next step? We need to check the homogeneity of the given function. Then only we can apply for the Euler's theorem, right? So z of tx comma ty, then tx the whole cube plus ty the whole cube divided by tx minus ty. So take t cube outside is common, x cube plus y cube divided by t as common, x minus y. So this and this cancel. What we can get? N is nothing but t squared. So t squared z equal to t squared into that function of f of, let it be function of f of x comma y. So n equal to 2. So the given function is the homogeneous function with the order 2. See, homogeneous function of degree 2. So this is the given one. The given function is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Then what we need to do? X dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y into nz. Substitute n value and z is nothing but tan u and n is nothing but 2. So substitute this. See, x into dou by dou x of tan u plus y into dou by dou y of tan u into 2 into z. Z is nothing but tan u, right? So when we differentiating tan u is nothing but secant squared u into dou u by dou x plus y into secant squared u into dou u by dou y equal to 2 tan u, right? Then take secant squared u in common. Then x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 2 tan u. Then this will go to that side as x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 2 tan u by secant squared u. So how can we simplify? We can write it as in numerator tan u. Tan u can be written as sin u by cos u. See, in the denominator 1 by secant squared u is nothing but cos squared u. So it is in the numerator. Can we write like this? Yes. Then cancel this one and this one. Say then 2 sin u cos u. 2 sin u cos u can be, say it as a sin 2u. It is nothing but sin 2u. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to sin 2u. So what is the answer? Option 3, sin 2u is the right option. Then what is given? If z equal to function of y by x plus function of x by y, then x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y we need to find out. So what is given? X by y. First we need to, what we need to do? We need to check the homogeneity of the given function. How can we say? tx comma ty. So f of ty by tx plus phi of tx by ty. Substitute x and y, tx and ty in place of x and y. So then it is cancel. Cancel means we can get this one only, f of y by x plus phi of x by y. Then it is can we write like t power 0? So it is 1 only. 1 can anything power 0 equal to 1. So it is t power 0. Z of tx comma ty equal to t power 0 t power 0 into what? That function z of x comma y. So it is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Homogeneous function of degree 0. Okay, then how can we write x? Dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to nz. Then x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to 0 into z. 0 into z is nothing but 0. So what is the answer? X dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y is nothing but 0. So this is the answer for this problem. X dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y is nothing but 0. Option 4 is the right option. We'll move on to the next question. Next problem. So it is given. Z is a see x into f of y by x plus 5 into phi into x by y. We need to find out the this one, x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou. So this is the given given in the problem. So what we need to first step to check the homogeneity of the given function. How can we check? Z of tx comma ty. So substitute tx into function of ty by tx plus phi of tx by ty. This and this will get cancelled. This and this will cancel. So it is t into x of y by x plus this is t as common plus phi of x by y. So see, it is a order of 1, right? Tx by ty degree degree. So it is a homogeneous function with degree 1. So and then what we do is the next x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to this one, n into z. So z is nothing but this term. Z is nothing but this term. Then what we need to do? What is the degree? Degree is nothing but n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 and order equal to 2. So we can write it as for our simplification. It is a function of, so this is a function 1 and this can be written as function, so can be written as function of x comma y plus this is function of function 2 of x comma y. So can we write like this? Yes. So we can, because it is not, t is not common for all. This is a function 1 and this is function 2. We need to check one by one. So this is a function of function 1 of x comma y. We need to check homogeneity and we need to check the homogeneity for function 2 of x comma y. We can separately check. Okay. I am sorry, I am saying it is a degree 1 but it is not correct. Okay. For function 1 alone, see function of x, we can, now we are going to check for separately for the term does, this is for function 1 of x comma y and this term for function 2 of x comma y. We can't check it, we are unable to check it together because, so see, it is not common. Okay, common for both, so we can separate these. So for first thing, if we check for first thing, so it is correct. We will check the function 2 separately. So for the first one, so let it be, for the first one, what is that? N equal to 1. So for the function 1, that is a homogeneous function of with degree 1. For function 2, what is function 2? z of tx comma ty equal to phi of tx by ty. So this and this will cancel. We can get the phi of x comma y. We can write it as t power 0. Nothing there, no. So it is multiplied by 1 alone. So we can write it as t power 0. So it is a function of x. It is a homogeneous function with the degree 0. Here n equal to 1 for function 1. For function 2 n equal to 0. So how can we check? We need to this is the general x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y n z. So we are going to check it for combinedly f1 plus f2 by dou x plus y dou by dou y of f1 plus f2. So for that, see, nz means for that function 1 equal to, we need to check, wait, we will check it later. So for that function, what is the x? Dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to dou z. Here dou z equal to dou f1 n into f1. So for that x dou f1 by dou x, y dou f1 n into f1. N is nothing but 1. So 1 for function 1. Then for this, what is that? X dou f2 by dou x plus y dou f2 by dou y equal to n into f2. N is nothing but 0. 0 into f2, 0 alone. So we can get 0 alone. For this n into f1. N equal to 1. 1 into f1, we are getting f1. So f1 is nothing but this term. This term. Okay. For function 1. For function 2, it is degree 0 now. So we are getting 0 as answer. But then we need to combine together. So when it is writing plus f1 plus 0. So f1 plus 0 is automatically x dou z by dou x. F1 plus f2 is nothing but dou z, right? Z. So x into y dou z by dou y equal to f1 plus 0 equal to f1, which is, what is f1? F1 is x into f of y. This one. Function 1. So this is the answer. Option 3, x into f of y by x for this answer for the for this problem. Option 3. We'll move on to the next one. So if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree n, then x dou by dou x plus y dou by dou y the whole squared equal to f. We need to find, for that, what is the answer? N into n minus 1 into f. How? See, previously we have seen see, if u is a function of extended Euler's theorem, f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of x comma y of degree n, then x squared dou squared f by dou x plus 2xy dou squared. For this term, they are given as x plus dou by dou x plus y, x plus a plus b the whole squared format. Okay, for that, what is the result? N into n minus 1 into f. So answer for this problem is nothing but n into n minus 1f. This is the extended Euler's theorem. This is a direct question. Then we'll move on to the next problem. We'll see. F of x comma y is given. We need to find out the x squared into dou squared f by dou x squared plus 2xy into dou squared f by dou x dou f plus y squared into dou squared f by dou y squared. It is known as extended Euler's theorem. For that, what if it is x into dou f by dou x plus y into dou f by dou y, what is that? N into z. For that, n into n minus 1 into f. So first we need to write down the question. So it is given, say cos u, say it is a cos, what is given? Cos inverse of x comma y. See, if f of x comma y equal to cos inverse of x comma y, say then what we need to do? We need to check the homogeneity na. F of tx comma ty equal to cos inverse of tx comma ty plus tan inverse of ty comma tx, because it is the direct relation. So we have a direct we have to find the degree n, then we will substitute that n into n minus 1. For this, what is the result? N into n minus 1 into f. So for that we need to find out the degree. We need to check the homogeneity. So cancel. So it is simply cos inverse of x by y plus tan inverse of y by x. How can we write? It is t, anything power 0, can we write like this as t power 0. So by Euler's theorem, this f is a homogeneous function of degree 0. By Euler's theorem, what is the degree? 0. So then by Euler's theorem, dou squared f by extended Euler's theorem, what is the result for this? Plus y squared dou squared f by dou y squared equal to n into n minus 1 into f. So n is nothing but 0 minus 1 into f. So 0 multiplied by anything, we will get only 0. So for this, it is 0 is the right option. Option 1, 0 is the correct option for this question. Then if u equal to y by z plus z by x, then x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus z dou u by dou z, we need to find out. So if u equal to y by z plus z by x, what is given? First write down that question. Dou u by dou x, find out dou u by dou x. See, dou u by dou x is nothing but this term want to come minus z by x squared. Then dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is nothing but 1 by z. Okay. Dou u by dou z is nothing but, so minus y by z squared plus 1 by x. Then what we need to do? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus z dou u by dou z. So multiplied by x. X dou u by dou x for this term minus xz by x squared. Cancel this. What can we get? Minus z by x. Then y dou u by dou y equal to y by z. Then z dou u by dou z equal to multiplied by z minus zy by z squared plus z by x equal to this and this minus y by z plus z by x. So these three terms. Okay, these three terms. So what we need to do? Adding these three terms, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by y, left hand side. See, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus z dou u by dou z equal to minus z by x in right hand side. Adding those terms, y by z minus y by z plus z by x. These and this get cancelled, these and this get cancelled. So we are getting 0 in the RHS. So for this, what is the result? Equal to 0. So option 1, 0 is the right option for this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. What is that? U given, so function x minus y into y minus z into z minus x is given. It is not depends on Euler's theorem. This is general partial derivatives. Okay. Few problems related to partial derivatives, so we can solve this. Okay. Then what we need to do? Dou u by dou x, then find out dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. Then we need to add all of those. That's it now. Say dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x, it is dependent on x alone. So it is a constant. Then this and this depend on x, 1 and third term. So UV formula. Differentiation of d of UV is nothing but u dv plus v du. For that, keep x minus y into, when we differentiating, what can minus 1 alone, plus z minus x into plus 1. So for that, y minus z into minus x plus y plus z minus x. So y minus z into y plus z minus 2x. So when we multiplied inside by y first, so by simplification we can do that. So when we multiply inside, what we get by y first, y squared plus yz minus 2xy, then minus z, minus yz minus z squared plus 2xz. See this one. Then we need to find out the dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y, we can, this term z minus x want to come, say it is common. Then what we need to do, u dv na, then x minus y keep as it is, then differentiate it, we will get 1. Then y minus z, we can get minus 1. So z minus x into this one, x minus y minus y plus z. Again we need to multiply by this term inside. So by simplification, z minus x into x minus 2y plus z, right? This one. So we need to multiply by z inside, then minus x inside. So z xz minus 2yz plus z squared. Similarly, minus x squared, this term, plus 2xy minus xz. So this is for dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y. For this is this one. Okay. So this is equation 1 for our simplification. Okay. This will be 1. This will be 2. This is 2. Then we'll do. There is no space in that paper, so I am using here. So what is the next one? U I am writing here. U equal to x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. Then what we need to do? Dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z for this. Dou u by dou z is nothing but, keep this as constant outside, then u dv, y minus z, when we differentiating into 1, this term want to come now, then z minus x, then minus 1, then we'll multiply, simplify, y minus z plus z, sorry, minus z plus x. So x minus y into y minus 2z plus x, xy minus 2xz plus x square minus y square plus 2yz minus xy. This is dou u by dou z. Next, what we need to do, adding 1, 2, 3. Adding equation 1, 2, 3. Right? Because what is in the question? X, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. So we will add, see, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z. So what is dou u by dou x? This one, equation 1. So I am just copying this, y square plus yz minus 2xy. This time minus yz minus z squared plus 2xz, right? I will check it again. y square plus yz minus 2xy minus yz minus z square plus 2xz. Then what is 2? Equation 2, this one, plus adding now, plus xz, just copy down, minus 2yz plus z squared minus x square plus 2xy minus xz, right? Xz minus 2yz plus z square minus x square plus 2xy minus xz plus equation 3. Equation 3 is nothing but here xy minus 2xz plus x square minus y square plus 2yz minus xy. See, we'll see these long terms we are getting. So see, y square plus y square, here minus y square, so cancel these. Then yz, this one, minus yz plus yz minus yz minus 2xy plus 2xy minus z square plus z square plus 2xz plus 2xz minus 2xz. Then xz plus xz minus xz, here minus 2yz, where is plus 2yz, minus x square plus y square plus x square plus minus, right? Then minus xy, where is plus xy, this one, plus xy minus x. So see, nothing is remaining. So what is the answer? 0. So for this question, x dou z by dou x, sorry, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is nothing but 0. Option 2, 0 is the right option for this problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So what is given? U equal to function of r and s, and r is a function of x and y, or r and s is a function of x and y. So u equal to f of r comma s, where r equal to function of x comma y and r and s also function of x comma y. We need to find out the dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y. We need to find out. So first we need to find out. So this is dependent on the partial derivative. Already we have seen. So extended dou u by dou x, right? If dou u by dou t, what can we do? Dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou u by dou t. Because u is a function of t, where t is a function of x and y. So if u is a function of r and s, where r and s is a function of x and y. So how can we calculate? See, how can we calculate that? So dou u by we need to find out the dou u by dou x, right? Dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Because dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y, then we need to add together. First we need to find out the dou u by dou x. Dou u is a function of or dou u r and s. Sorry, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x, right? See, dou u by u is a function of x, but u is a function of r and s. So dou u by dou x can be written as dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. So what we need to find out first for this equation, dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x is nothing but for that we need to find out the dou r by dou u by dou r, keep as it is. Then what is dou r by dou x? Dou r by dou x is nothing but 1. Then dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x also 1. So what we are getting? Dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou s for the dou u by dou x. Okay, see, it is a equation 1. Then we need to find out the dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y. Okay, dou u by dou y equal to dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. So dou u by dou r, keep as it is. dou r into dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y is nothing but 1 plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. Dou s by dou y is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1. So, how can we write? Dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou s equal to equation number 2. It is dou u by dou. Then what we need to do? Adding equation 1 and 2. Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y. Dou y equal to dou u plus and this term will get cancelled. We are getting dou u plus dou r plus dou u plus dou r in our RHS side. Okay. Dou u plus dou r plus dou u plus dou r is nothing but 2 dou u by dou r. Okay. So this is the answer. For that, what is the answer? 2 into dou u by dou r. Option 4 is the right option. Dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y equal to 2 into dou u by dou r. We'll move on to the next problem. See what is given. V equal to function of x by z and y by z. We need to find out the x dou v by dou x plus y dou v by dou y plus z dou v by dou z. We need to find out. So v is a function of x, y, z. So for that we need to check the homogeneity of the function. So homogeneity of the function, sorry, f is say it is a f of u comma w. So v is a function of u and w. What is u? Where u equal to x by z and w equal to y by z, right? Then dou v by dou x. First we need to find dou v by dou x. How can we find out? Dou v by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou w. It is dependent on u and w now, into dou w by dou x. So what we need? Dou v by dou u. Okay. So dou v by dou u keep as it is. Then dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x, what is that? 1 by z plus dou v by dou w into dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x is nothing, right? No term dependent on x, so it is 0. So this term will get 0. What we can get? 1 by z into dou v by dou u. See, it is a equation 1. Then dou v by dou y. Dou v by dou y, how can we? Dou v by dou u into dou u by dou y is a function of u and w now, plus dou v by dou w into dou w by dou y. So how can we simply? Dou v by dou u keep as it is into dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y nothing, so 0, plus dou v by dou w into dou w by dou y. Dou w by dou y is nothing but 1 by z. So for this, what is the answer? 1 by z into dou v by dou w. So this is equation 2. Then what is the third one? Dou v by dou z, right? Dou v by dou u into dou u by dou z plus dou v by dou w into dou w by dou z. So dou v by dou u keep as it is u. Dou u by dou z. Dou u by dou z equal to minus x by z square plus dou v by dou w into dou w by dou z. So minus y by z square. So this one. For this equation 3, minus x by z square into dou v by dou u minus y by z square into dou v by dou w. Equation 3. So adding 1, 2, 3. Adding equation 1, 2, 3 in both. Adding equation 1, 2, 3 alone, no. X into dou v by dou x plus y into dou v by dou y plus z into dou v by dou z. So for that what we need to do, x into dou v by dou x plus y into dou v by dou y plus z into dou v by dou z. So in RHS side, in this term just multiply x by x term. For equation we need to multiply x term, x into x by z into dou v by dou u. In equation 2 multiply by y term alone. So then y by z into dou v by dou w. Then equation 3 multiply by z. So when we multiplying by z, what we can get? Z we can get multiply by z. Here I am writing multiply by z this term. This and this get cancelled and this also will get cancelled. So minus x by z dou v by dou u. Minus x by z dou v by dou u. Here also minus y by cancel na, it is common. Minus y by z dou v by dou w. Minus y by z dou v by dou w. By adding LHS and RHS sides, x by z plus x by z minus x by z plus y by z, this term, this and this get cancelled, we will get 0. So for this term we are getting 0 as an answer. Option 2, 0 is the right option for this problem. Then move on to the next one. What is that? U equal to sine inverse of x cube minus y cube x plus y. Then we need to find out this one. Okay, first we need to move to that side. Sine u, let it is z equal to x cube minus cube divided by x plus y. So what we need to do, we need to that tx we need to check the homogeneity for the given function. So to check homogeneity, z of tx comma ty equal to tx the whole cube minus ty the whole cube divided by tx plus ty, right? Then t cube in the numerator, x cube minus y cube, then t outside x plus y. So by cancelling this t squared of t squared into function z. So z of tx comma ty, tx comma ty equal to this one. So function f, maybe function of x comma y. So it is a homogeneous function of with order degree 2. So x dou f by dou x is dou z plus y dou z by dou y equal to n into z. So n is equal to 2, z is nothing but sin u. Here also substitute sin u. When we taking sin u, what we will get? Differentiating cos u into dou u by dou x plus y cos u. Similarly this one also dou u by dou y equal to 2 sin u. Say taking cos u as common, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to 2 sin u. So this will go to that side as 2 sin u by cos u. So equal to 2 sin u by, this sin u go to that side by cos u. So sin u by cos u nothing but tan u. So 2 tan u in left hand side, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to option 3, 2 tan u. 2 tan u is the right option for this problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So given u x by y plus y by z plus z by v, we need to find out the x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus z dou u by dou z. For that what we need to do, we need to check the homogeneity of the given function. So u is a function of x, y, z. We need to check the homogeneity. Tx, ty, tz equal to z is nothing but tx by ty plus ty by tz plus tz by tx. By taking and cancelling all these, what we will get? T. So x by plus y by z plus z by x. So it is can be written as t power 0. So the given function is a homogeneous function of degree 0 with degree 0. Then what is the answer? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to z dou u by dou z equal to nu. N is nothing but 0. 0 into u, we will get 0 alone. So 0. For this, what is the answer? Option 3, 0 is the right option. We'll move on to the next one. See, u equal to y into f of x comma y, x by y plus g into y by x. We need to find out the x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to what? So first we need to find out the homogeneity of the given function. Then u of tx comma ty equal to ty into f of tx by ty plus g of ty by tx. Then this and this get okay. This and this will get cancelled. It is not common. Again I am doing the same thing. Previously also we have seen the same set of problem, right? Same kind of problem. So it is a function 1. This can be written as u equal to function 1 of x comma y, then function 2 of x comma y. Then we will combine together. Okay. Then for that function 1, what is function 1? To check homogeneity for the function 1. So this is function 1. So ty into f of tx by ty, cancelling this t power 1 into y of x of a function of x by y. So t power 1 into function 1. Then n equal to 1. So for the function 1, it is the, what is the degree? Function by Euler's theorem, function 1 is a homogeneous function with degree 1. Then we need to find out the homogeneity to check the homogeneity for function 2. So f2 of function 2 of x comma y is nothing but g of y by x. Then function 2 of tx comma ty equal to g of ty by tx. So this is nothing but t power 0, right? T power 0 into g of y by x. Now g of y by x is nothing but function 2 of x comma y. So t power 0. So what is the function 2? Function 2, what is the degree? 0. Function 2 is also a homogeneous function with degree 0. Then we can combine together. What is that? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. Now say then x into dou into f1 plus f2 divided by dou x plus y into dou of f1 plus f2 divided by dou y equal to, adding this to n into f1 plus n into f2. That means function of x comma y and x comma y. So f1 plus f2 is nothing but u. U is a function 1, function 2, function 1 plus function 2. So x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y equal to n into function 1. N is nothing but 1. 1 into function 1, we are getting function 1 of x comma y. Then n into function 2. So 0 into this, we will get 0. So we are getting function 1 alone. Okay, what is the function 1? Function 1 nothing but y into f of x by y na. So y into f of x by y. So what is the answer? X dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is nothing but y into f of x by y. So y into f of x by y, option 4 is the right option for this question. So we will stop up to this. In our next upcoming videos, we can solve rest of the problems depends on partial derivatives in differential calculus. So kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon also. If you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly check with the playlist. Okay, thanks for watching.